After the last video, I got a lot of comments about how crusty the frame is.
A little see-through action going on the frame there. It definitely is not perfect. We're gonna weld some rust to some rust and hopefully hold all the rust together, and then we're gonna go bag on it.
Honestly, we're calling that good.
You don't need to worry about that.
Oh. Excuse me, sir.
Easy, easy, easy. Well, that's new.
Ready from Pathmaker Productions. I'm out in the driveway today. After the last video, where we put a lift on Project Cheapfinder, I got a lot of comments about how crusty the frame is. Considering I'm supposed to be taking this thing on an overlanding trip over the Whipsaw Trail in a couple weeks, figured I should probably do a little bit of welding on the frame and brace this thing up before I drive it halfway across the province and have it fold in half on me. Let's get to it, and we're going to do a little bit of frame repair on Project Cheapfinder. As usual around here, after we repair the frame, well, we're going to have to go test it out. So the frame is super rusty in this rear wheel well. I also had somebody asking, well, why am I working outside in the gravel, laying on the ground and swearing about it instead of working in here? The whole point in Project Cheapfinder was to do it on the cheap, in the driveway, in the gravel, with hand tools. So any of you guys who are wanting to build an off-road rig on the super budget, super cheap, and only have some gravel to work in, well, wouldn't be as helpful if I pulled her up on a hoist. So on that note, we better get into the gravel. And Positrak's over there whining at me, and he's driving me nuts. Thanks, Pos.
Well, not even 2 minutes into working on frame repairs on that thing. And, well, squirrel! Getting distracted by camera mounts for the Pathmaker rig. I'm in and out all the time. I actually want to mount this here. So we got to do a little bit of welding on the ever-changing pieces of steel that are in here for camera mounts. Perfect. Gotta love tacking stuff with expensive camera equipment attached to it. Perfect. Check the welds. Oh, just buttery today. It's a good time for the Cheapfinder. Perfect. 5 minutes, well spent. You don't need to worry about my lack of jack stands. A little see-through action going on the frame there. We really got to fix this. We've got a cross member, we got the leaf, or the spring, and we got the panhard. So if this goes, it all goes wrong. And well, it's about to go. But thankfully, through the powers of television, well, I cut this like 6 months ago to somehow weld on here. Right on over the bracket, right into as solid a metal as we can get. It definitely is not perfect. Far, far, far from it. We're gonna make it work. You don't need to worry about my workbench being messy. There, looks good enough for me. Here's an old pro tip. Tire there, you can sit on it. Couple clamps. Sparkle machine. We're gonna send it. There's nothing quite like gluing rusty metal together with a sparkle machine in the wind in the driveway. We're gonna weld some rust to some rust and hopefully hold all the rust together, and then we're gonna go bag on it. So let me get this welded up.
You know you're doing real buttery welds when you can hold one with your welding ground clamp. So my plug welds are in. I burned through on that one, I burned through on that one. But now I'm gonna try to do some blind welding up along the top. So now we'll just try to smear some more weld around. Oh, also, I'm gonna note, because someone's gonna say, normally when you do a fish plate, you wanna come to an angle, not straight up and down. It's the Cheapfinder, I don't care, I didn't wanna cut it again. Deal with it! I just started grinding all these welds down because they're ugly and yada yada yada, they're a little bit of porosity, and then I thought to myself, why? Why do I care? You guys wanna see this little dingle ball over here? Yeah! And this porosity here? You don't need to worry about that. Look, it's my bump stop. Honestly, we're calling that good. Now we need a piece of cardboard. And we're gonna take a little look at what we got going on over here. I definitely made sure to put my goggles on before climbing under here, because she's a little crispy in this zone here. And we don't want this trailing arm to rip right off. So we're gonna find something I could put along here, but I don't have much goodness going on along here. Maybe I have some angle iron or something. Oh, that sucks. I want to note the other side, not too bad. I do believe we found the piece of scabby, rusty metal that we're going to use. Whew. Well, we want to be from here all the way out to here. In this case, really, can we go all the way out to here? Let's get greedy. Can we go 30? We might be able to get greedy here. 30-inch piece. Let's go see how she fits. Oh yeah, look at that. We like it practically like a new frame. Half fast clean up the frame. That's just like pure rust on that side. Well, I lit myself on fire a little bit on the last one, but we're getting a couple good tacks in there, and I'm gonna hit it with the mini sledge now. That's structural steel here falling out, so I guess I'm not gonna hit it anymore. Let's just do some more gross welding. All right, well, it's far from a perfect repair. Well, we got a lot of rust along there, so we didn't get any welds. We got some in the end. We got some here. Get some there, and kind of the same on the inside. So it's still super crusty. Hopefully it'll hold up a little bit longer, but it might just be time to take it for a test drive, because that's really what this is all about. You don't need to worry about that dent, because I already got a hole over on this side. Right, Puz? Yeah, you think Puz is here to help? No, he put his ball down there. There you go. Also, we don't worry about paint around here. It'd be a waste of good paint. Hung a junk down. Man, let's take a look. Paint's overrated, so is grinding or welds. Sure looks a lot beefier than it did up there. And looks a lot beefier down there. So I'm pretty stoked with that. Really wouldn't be a Cheapfinder vid without a bit of rat bagging on this poor old girl in the woods. So we're gonna take this thing down the berm trail that I've only ever driven the Pathmaker down. So this might be a terrible idea. If you got your Pathfinder and you're wondering why this one's just doing such an easy job here, it's the welded rear. It's all about the welded rear. Unfortunately, I gotta stop here and re-get the camera. See, like I'll cut all that out. I just went back there and grabbed the camera and set it up down there. This is what it's the effort I put in for you guys, just to do some cheap finding. 92 Nissan Pathfinder, and she's working great. We're gonna work our way down through the trees here and over this berm. The Pathmaker line is over on the far side there, but that's a little zesty for this old girl. Even what I'm doing right here is a little zesty to this thing, but it's pray to the wheeling gods that we don't get any body damage here, but I don't know.
Close. Close. Ah, I think we did it without any body damage. I've never driven up here in anything ever. I got the trees down. It's really steep, like really steep. And I didn't expect the first thing to drive up here to be the Cheapfinder. Normally we go that way and over the boulders in the Pathmaker. But let's see if we can do this. First lines up the berm in Project Cheapfinder. That's not seeming very likely. God damn it. BS there. Didn't realize that was there. Or that was there. This might be a little bit more that we can do. We were hoping to go there and then cut left. Honestly, it makes me want to go get the Pathmaker and just hammer up it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Well, ain't that the way? I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. What that means is we have to somehow turn around and go back up the trail that we just came down, which I also never planned on going back up. Okay, well, let's turn this whole Project Cheapfinder around. Try to head back out the other way. If I had the winch project done, we'd be driving up there, but we don't. So now the mission is how to turn around without losing any windows. I don't know what I'm doing here. Oh, you don't need to worry about that. Okay. Well, we gotta take a look. Ouch, 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 ouch. Oh man. Oh, total roll of the ankle there. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Excuse me, sir. No. So you mean more throttle's not the answer? Weird, because in my world it normally is. I'm getting just bojanged in here. Easy, easy, easy. Well, that's new. Come on, open front. Let the team down. I got to throw a shout out to my new patrons. I got Andrew V and Tim. And thanks so much, guys, for signing up. Also, looks like I got a raise from Alan and my good buddy J20. Thanks, guys. What can I say? Because of you guys, looks like the next trip I'm doing, we're gonna take this thing and we're gonna go run the Whipsaw Trail, which I couldn't do without the help of the supporters on the Patreon channel. So thanks, you guys. We're gonna get filming over there in a few weeks in the old Cheapfinder, and I'm stoked to do some more overlanding. If you're curious about the Patreon, I guess you can go there, sign up. I got a couple of options. If you sign up for 10 bucks a month, I'm gonna put your name on the side
the Pathmaker rig as a thank you, a little bit of the sponsorship and support for the channel. So let me work my way around these last couple trees here, and we're heading out wheeling with the boys tomorrow, so we'll get that up. Of course, I never get the orders right anyway, so it doesn't matter. Anyways, we'll go check out the frame. Oh, maybe we're stuck. All right, let's send it out of these goddamn woods. Before we completely wrap up, we're got to do the last step. It's turning into a bit of a tradition here. Let's look at the damage that we did today. So these dents are new, that one and that one. And okay, well, that's new. Well, it's kind of new. We had a little bit of a dent there the other day, but it's a more substantial dent. Oh, look at the nice comp curve on the front bumper. Oh. Well, that's brand new. And oh, the wee scratch, that's not new. Oh, this is new. Oh, did we kill a brake line? That would definitely be on brand if I killed a damn brake line. Oh, since this video was about these this steel, let's take a look. Looking good. And looking good. Oh, you can't win them all. All right, on that note, we're gonna wrap it up. Just fix the brakes on this thing next time. maybe finally get to the front bumper. Anyways, cheers guys. Thanks for tuning in.